Good day, my friend, and welcome to that brand new channel about the Mercedes W123. Maybe you know me already regarding other Mercedes channels. I've got one about the Mercedes W124, I've got another one about the Mercedes W126, and another one about the Mercedes W116. So now this car is, I've just received it, and I'm just gonna present you the car and see the video that will be coming. Obviously, if you've got any suggestions of video to be shot, please don't hesitate, place it in the comments, and I will do my best to do it. Obviously, please don't ask me things that I don't have. For instance, that car doesn't have the sunroof, so obviously I will be it will be impossible for me to do this. Okay, that car as well is manual, so obviously if you've got problem with automatic gearbox, I won't be able to help. Okay, anyway, let me show you the car now. Okay, let me show you more or less what we'll have to do on that car. Okay, so we see there's a wiper missing, so we'll have to make a video about that. The star, it's missing. Okay, another video. The front grille, we'll have to do something about it too, but there'll be general video as well, how to remove the tail light, the front light, the bumpers, stuff like that. Okay, I can see some moldings are missing at the bottom. What you doing in the video, you, eh? I see as well there's problems with the doors. It closed very badly, you see, and when it's not closing properly, it's because of this, of that rubber that's gone. So we'll make a video about that. To open the window as well, I see it's a problem, and this moves a lot, so we'll address that as well. Obviously the weather stripping, few bits missing inside. The car starts very well, however it doesn't switch off, so I assume it's the switch off valve that we're gonna be dealing with. So you see there's a lot of video that'll be coming. This door, look, it doesn't stop at all, so this is coming, the problem is from this here. Okay, that's gone. Here again, this is trashed, so we'll do that. Let's say close. This one closed okay. The rear door as well, but that's a very common problem. The springs to hold the door doesn't work, so will have to be changed. The parts, all the moldings, the seller told me it's here. Okay, so I assume it's that. So I haven't had a look at it as yet. But anyway, we will have a look. Okay, so more or less that's what's coming. Okay, as well, it looks like there's a lot of rust or starting to rust. Okay, we'll have to make a video about the rear quarter window and the various bits and bobs like this as well. And obviously, as I said, if you've got any other, if you would like to see some video, well, please do not hesitate. Okay, so as you will see, a lot of video will be coming on that channel, so please subscribe, obviously, and you'll be keeping up to date with everything that will be coming. As well, if you want to help the channel, you will see on the description of the video there's a link where you can give a cent or 10 million euro if you want. No, but joke aside, if you can make a small donation, that'll be very nice. That'll be very helpful. That way I can buy parts, and I'll be able to fix the car quicker, and also make more videos. Okay, well, until then, I hope that you will like the videos to come, and take care of yourself. Ciao.